Do you ever feel like financial freedom is a distant dream, something only for the six-figure earners? Do you look at your paycheck and think, how will I ever get ahead with this? If that sounds familiar, then this video is for you. Today, we're going to completely bust the myth that you need a massive salary to build wealth and achieve financial freedom. Stick around, because I'm going to share actionable, real-world strategies that you can start using today, no matter what your income is. This isn't about wishing for a lottery win. It's about building a solid plan for your future, starting right now. Let's get one thing straight. A high salary does not automatically equal wealth. I know, it sounds counterintuitive, right? We see people with fancy cars and big houses and assume they must be rich. But here's the secret. What you earn is far less important than what you keep. The real trap for high earners is something called lifestyle inflation. It's a simple concept. As your income goes up, your spending goes up with it. You get a raise, so you upgrade your apartment. You get a bonus, so you buy a more expensive car. You start dining out at fancier restaurants. Before you know it, you're living paycheck to paycheck again, just on a grander scale. You're trapped on a golden hamster wheel, running faster and faster but getting nowhere. The problem isn't the income. It's the habits. Earning more money without having the right financial mindset is like pouring water into a bucket with a hole in it. The bucket will never fill up, no matter how much water you pour in. This is why you see stories of athletes or celebrities who earned millions and ended up broke. They had the income, but they lacked the financial discipline. So, let us stop focusing on the number on our paycheck and start focusing on what truly matters, our financial habits. That's the real key to unlocking financial freedom. The single most important step on this journey is a mindset shift. You need to redefine what wealth means to you. It's not about having a mountain of cash or a garage full of luxury cars. True wealth is freedom. It's the freedom to choose how you spend your time, the freedom from money-related stress, and the security of knowing you have a safety net. It's about owning your time, not just owning things. Once you internalize this, your entire perspective changes. You'll stop comparing yourself to others who seem to have more. Their journey isn't your journey. Your goal isn't to look rich. It's to be financially secure. Focus on building strong financial habits, because these habits are the foundation of your financial house. A high income on a weak foundation will eventually crumble. But even a modest income, built upon the solid rock of good habits, can create a fortress of financial security. This means valuing saving over spending, delayed gratification over instant pleasure, and long-term growth over short-term thrills. This mindset shift is free. It doesn't cost a dime, but it's the most valuable investment you'll ever make. It's the engine that will power you all the way to financial freedom, regardless of your starting point. Now for the most powerful tool in your financial arsenal, the budget. I know, the word budget can sound restrictive and boring, like a financial diet. But I want you to reframe it. A budget isn't about restriction. It's about intention. It's you telling your money where to go, instead of wondering where it went. Creating a budget is simpler than you think. First, track your expenses. For 1 month, write down every single dollar you spend. Use an app, a spreadsheet, or a simple notebook. This isn't to judge yourself, it's to gather data. You might be shocked to see where your money is actually going. Maybe it's that daily coffee, the subscription services you forgot about, or impulse buys online. Once you know where your money is going, you can create a plan. A popular method is the 50-30-20ths rule. 50% of your after-tax income goes to needs things like rent, utilities, groceries, and transportation. 30% goes to wants: entertainment, dining out, hobbies. And the most important part, 20% goes directly to savings and debt repayment. You must pay yourself first. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your savings account the day you get paid. This is non-negotiable. That 20% is you investing in your future freedom. If 50-30ths, 20 doesn't work for you, adjust the percentages. The perfect budget is the one you can stick to. It's a living document that gives you control and clarity over your financial life. But I don't have enough money to invest. I hear this all the time, and it's one of the biggest misconceptions holding people back. You don't need thousands of dollars to start investing. In fact, you can start with as little as $5 or $10. The key isn't how much you start with. It's that you start. The most powerful force in finance is on your side: compound interest. Albert Einstein supposedly called it the eighth wonder of the world. Here's how it works. You invest your money and it earns a return. The next year, you earn a return not just on your original money, but also on the returns from the first year. Your money starts making money, and then that money starts making its own money. It's a snowball effect. Over time, even small, consistent contributions can grow into a massive snowball of wealth. For beginners, a great place to start is with low-cost index funds or ETFs. These are baskets of stocks that track a market index, like the S&P 500. They are diversified, which means they are less risky than picking individual stocks, and they have very low fees. Many brokerage apps today have no minimum investment and allow you to buy fractional shares. This means if a stock you want costs $200 per share, you can buy just $10 worth of it. The barrier to entry has never been lower. Start small, be consistent, and let the magic of compounding do the heavy lifting for you over the long term. While mastering your spending and investing are crucial, increasing your income can supercharge your journey to financial freedom. And no, this doesn't mean you have to quit your job and get a high-pressure sales position. It's about creating additional income streams. Think about the skills you already have. Are you great at organizing? Offer your services as a home organizer on the weekends. Do you speak another language? You could do freelance translation work online. Are you a good writer? Many businesses need content for their blogs and websites. Platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and TaskRabbit make it easy to find gigs that match your skills. Another powerful strategy is to learn a new high-demand skill. With online courses on platforms like Coursera, Udemy, or even free tutorials on YouTube, you can learn coding, digital marketing, graphic design, or video editing. These skills can lead to a better-paying job or allow you to start a lucrative side business. The goal here isn't to work yourself to exhaustion. It's about being strategic. Even an extra few $100s a month can make a massive difference. If you put that extra income directly into your investments, you dramatically shorten your timeline to financial freedom. Start by identifying one or two potential side hustles that genuinely interest you. The best side hustle is one that doesn't feel like a chore, but rather an extension of your passions. So let's recap the path to financial freedom that doesn't require a six-figure salary. First, it starts with a mindset shift. Redefine wealth as freedom and security, not just material possessions. Focus on building strong financial habits. Second, become the master of your money with a budget. Track your spending, tell your money where to go. And most importantly, pay yourself first by saving at least 20% of your income. Third, start investing now, no matter how small the amount. Harness the incredible power of compound interest through low-cost index funds and be consistent. Finally, explore ways to increase your income. Leverage your existing skills or learn new ones to create side hustles that can accelerate your savings and investments. Remember, your income is just one tool in your financial toolkit. It's how you use all the tools, your mindset, your budget, your investments, and your earning potential that will build your financial future. You have the power to do this. It won't happen overnight, but with discipline, consistency, and the right strategy, financial freedom is absolutely within your reach. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful and encouraging, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel for more content on building wealth and achieving your financial goals. I'd love to hear from you in the comments below. What is the one step you're going to take this week to start your journey? Let's support each other. Thanks again, and I'll see you in the next video.